a case of illusion, a person who experiences illusions. Let's discuss. 72-year-old man complains of that he is seeing people and animals in his house, but he realizes that actually there are not people. How? When he closes his eyes, disappear the people that are seeing. Now come to the history. No history of psychiatric illnesses in the past. If you come to the cognition, his cognition is intact, mean he is all right. On physical examination, his mental status is normal except visual misperceptions. What are visual misperceptions? That person is seeing people and animals in his house, but no delusions or hallucinations. So this was a person who was perceiving some people and houses in his house which was not really there. And he realizes too that there is nothing. After this